Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be decorating my dashboard, and it is for the week of August 8th through the 14th, and as always I'm going to be covering up the left side. So let me go ahead and glue this down and then we will decorate. So today I'm going to be using two sticker books from Live Love Posh, green and a blue one, and both of them are called Functional and Chic. One is blue blooms, one is green blooms. So that's what I'm going to be using. If you are joining me for the first time, welcome. I hope you like it here, and if you are coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so very much. I appreciate you beyond measure. So here we go. I'm just gonna trim the excess as always, and we are going to go ahead and decorate this page. I am super excited about this because those are some of my favorite sticker books. So I'm just gonna pop this back and make sure it goes in smoothly, and then let's pull them out and let's decorate. So here we go. I'm just grabbing my books right now. Like I said, the two that I wanted to work with are my two favorites from Live Love Posh. So here we go. I will also have to redate this spread as always, because as you can see, this is an outdated planner, which I don't mind working with because I really love these. I'm looking for stickers that I want to use. I've never used these, not these, the other ones before. Let me pull them up. I have so many loose pages. As you can see, this book is beyond loved. These are the ones that I want to use. I will pull a page out. Like I said, this book is so tortured. I don't even care anymore if it's intact. I just keep it all together. So I'm going to continue redating with the same stickers. I don't know why, but I really like them. I think they stand out. I like that they're round. I like that they're black. I might eventually switch to redating with something else or even make my own. But for right now, I really like these. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some corners because these are clear and beautiful and lovely, and they're already pre-cut, so all I have to do is kind of place them and it's already enveloping the box. Isn't that convenient? I'm gonna hide the date under this. I think that kind of gives it a cool effect as well. And then now I'm gonna be adding some greens to the side, which again, I don't really mind, and I'm gonna cut out this little section that's preventing me from writing right there. I'm gonna be very gentle. There we go, and it's off, and now I can go ahead and move on to the next phase of this. So now let's find the blue florals that I want to use. All of these florals, I do have to say, are absolutely stunning. You can't go wrong with any of them. As you can see, I haven't used any of the other books because the blue and the green have captivated me. Eventually, I probably will start using other books, but this is the green and the blue that I want to use. I think they're the most similar and they just look so beautiful, especially when you mix them in together. You'll see the effect is just stunning. So I hope you guys agree with me, because like I said, it is quite a showstopper when you mix blue and greens. At least for me, it's like my favorite thing to do is mix those colors. Do you have a favorite color combo? If you do, leave it down below. Let me know, because I am curious to see what really speaks to other people. Like I said, for me, my favorite is black and white and blue and green. I'm not sure, especially these like specific blue and green colors are just stunning. So that's what I wanted to use, and that's exactly what I'm doing. I put a blue in the corner, like so. And then I'm gonna cut out the parts that are preventing me from writing yet again. So all of these will have kind of like a boxy feel to them. There we go. It picked up the ink from the lines a little bit, but that's fine. I don't really mind. I will still write in it and no big deal. I do use a pretty hard silky paper that just feels so buttery underneath my fingers. It is very thick. It's like 120 GCM. So I can probably write with a Sharpie on it if I wanted to. It's just something that when I print these pages for myself, I want them on the best possible paper, but not necessarily a construction grade because they feel kind of rough. So something very, very silky. You guys get it. You guys are paper people. Of course you will get it, right? Okay, so going back to favorite color combos, don't forget to leave it in the comments. What is your favorite color combo? I'm curious. I'm just gonna rename these really quick, and I'm gonna use different shades of green to do this, to bring in more of the green, because I feel like the blue overtook a little bit, which I get because blue is my absolute favorite color. So here we go. I'm gonna add Saturday, Sunday. Beautiful. And then we're gonna edge. We're gonna edge the heck out of this because florals are my thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and add more of the green into the spread, like so. We're gonna kind of tangle these little vines together. There. They're touching. They're touching. That's all I wanted, for them to touch. Okay, and then I'm gonna cut some blues as well. And then add a little bit more of that. Like so. I do want them to touch. I don't know why. It's just something that I want. So. And then I'm gonna add that one. Oh my lord. And then we're gonna do the bottom here. So we're gonna touch the blue and the green. And we're gonna add one more green in that section. Okay, and I think that I'm pretty much done. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you think of the spread. Like I said, this color combo to me is so sublime. It's just beautiful, and these stickers that Jessica makes are absolutely stunning. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you soon for another plan with me. I do need to redate this really quick, and then we shall be all set. But thank you for joining, and I'll see you very soon for another video. As always, thanks for joining, and have a great week ahead. Bye.